TURN PCB Intel Company Limited is a one-stop service company in South China, focusing on multi-variety, small and medium-sized batch, fast delivery circuit board, manufacturing and assembly. 80% of the company's products are sold to Europe and the United States. 20% of the products are sold to domestic and Asian. Committed to become the world's first-class hardware outsourcing design service provider. Since its establishment in 2015, the company has introduced LDI exposure machine, etching line, CCD exposure machine, inner and outer layer AOI, plating line, PTH line, vacuum laminating machine and other high-end equipment, and set up fast turn team and special team to ensure the timely delivery of urgent projects and difficulty projects follow-up. Our products cover medical, industrial control, communication equipment, computer, automotive electronics, aerospace, and semiconductor industries. In PCB manufacturing, fast turn PCB has 2 to 50 layers of process capacity, covering high multi-layer HDI, blind and buried hole boards, rigid flex boards, high frequency and high speed, mixed pressure, and other product types. In PCBA manufacturing, it has the process capability of passing 0201, 01005, QFN, BGA, etc., and has complete quality control equipment, including SPI solder paste detection, AOI optical detection, X-ray detection, etc. Our company implements standardized management system and has passed ISO 9001 Quality Management System certification, UL certification, Rohs certification, Reach certification, and so on. We have established a rapid response mechanism for orders, clear identification of urgent orders, specially assigned follow-up, ensure that orders are under effective control from receipt to delivery to ensure high-quality delivery. We have the confidence and ability to provide customers with satisfactory products and fast response services.